Think identity verification for crypto platforms has to be a headache. Today we'll explore how MoonPay has streamlined this process without compromising security. Hey everyone, it's Eva for MemeFi, and in today's fourth installment we're diving into two important aspects of MoonPay, their verification system and business solutions. Let's tackle the big question first. Yes, MoonPay does require identity verification through their Know Your Customer (KYC) process. But don't worry, it's straightforward. You'll need to provide one of these documents: a driver's license, national ID card, or passport. Quick note for our American viewers, US passports aren't currently accepted on the platform. To ensure everything is legitimate, you might need to take a selfie or complete a three-dimensional liveness check. Think of it as a quick video verification that proves you're really you. In certain situations, MoonPay may also ask for proof of address or documentation about your source of funds. This extra step helps them meet regulatory requirements and keeps the platform secure from fraud. Here's where it gets interesting for businesses. On January 2022, MoonPay introduced something game-changing: MoonPay Checkout. This innovative tool, previously known as NFT Checkout, pioneered credit card purchases for NFTs, a real breakthrough for the industry. The beauty of MoonPay Checkout lies in its versatility. It works seamlessly with major credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, and integrates smoothly with popular platforms like OpenSea. Think of it as your all-in-one solution for the NFT market, handling everything from identity verification to fraud prevention. For businesses venturing into crypto, MoonPay offers a complete package. They manage all aspects of cryptocurrency payments while maintaining strict security standards and regulatory compliance. This comprehensive approach makes the platform attractive to both individual users and companies ready to embrace cryptocurrency. I'm curious about your take on this. Do you see identity verification on crypto platforms as essential security or unnecessary red tape? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for part 5, where we'll explore all the cryptocurrencies and payment methods available on MoonPay. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to catch our next episode. See you soon!